Greetings everyone, I am the small engine mechanic, and today we will be replacing the engine brake on this Honda push mower. So let's get started. First, we will need to remove the starter. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 3 nuts holding the starter down, then remove the starter. Next, we will remove the blower housing and fuel tank. Then using a 13/16 socket, remove the flywheel nut. The flywheel will still be holding on, so using a small pry bar, apply some pressure to one side of the flywheel and tap the other side with a soft-faced hammer, and the flywheel should pop right up. If the key comes with the flywheel, then place it on the magnet for now. If it stayed on the shaft, then you can leave it there. Now is a good time to blow off any dirt and dust that might be under the flywheel. Now that it's clean, we can remove the brake. You will need to unplug the stop switch located at the back of the brake. Then, using the same 10mm socket, remove the 2 bolts holding the brake in place. The wire clamp can be removed and reused on the new brake assembly. To remove the cable, you can use a pair of pliers to squeeze the retainers and pull the cable from the retainer, and then remove the hooked end from the brake arm. You can see how this brake pad has been worn down. Using the OEM part number for this engine, 75100-Z0L-901. Now is a good time to reconnect the stop switch and cable retainer. Next, replace the 2 brake retainer bolts. Be sure to always start all threads by hand. Then tighten them both down. Now we can reconnect the cable. You can see how the pad has been worn down. Now, we can reinstall the flywheel key with the rounded side facing the shaft. Then align the flywheel to the key and reinstall the flywheel. Then start the flywheel nut onto the shaft. And using a torque wrench, tighten the nut to 55 foot-pounds or 75 Newton meters. Now we can replace the blower housing. Then the starter. Make sure you tug on the string to make sure it's not binding up. Then replace the 3 starter nuts and tighten them back down. And now we are ready to test the engine brake. Well, it starts pretty easily. And it shuts down a lot better. So, with that,
it looks like another one is good to go.